Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this session. This afternoon, we are going to discuss fertilization, and let's define fertilization. Fertilization is the fusion of the sperm and ovum, and this will result in formation of a zygote. Fertilization typically occurs in the fallopian tube, and during fertilization, the genetic material from both parents combines, initiating the development of a new individual. Below is the diagram depicting fertilization, whereby you see in the diagram there are several sperms that are surrounding the ova, but only one sperm will be able to fertilize the ova. Not all of them are going to fertilize that ova. Let's look at cleavage. After fertilization has taken place, cleavage takes place, and cleavage is the rapid division of the zygote into smaller cells called blastomeres. These divisions occur without growth and result in formation of a multicellular structure known as a morula. Cleavage divisions provide a high cell to cytoplasm ratio and prepare the embryo for further development. Let's look at blastomere formation. The morula undergoes further divisions and differentiation, forming a blastocyst. The blastocyst is made of two distinct cell types, the inner cell mass and the outer layer called the trophoblast. The trophoblast will later give rise to the placenta, while the inner cell mass will develop into the embryo. Below, you can see a diagram depicting fertilization. After fertilization of the ovum, the zygote develops. From zygote comes the morula stage, then the blastocyst, then eventually the embryo. Then below also is another diagram which is depicting implantation, which is depicting the inner cell mass clearly. Inner cell mass refers to the embryoblast. So those are the cells that will develop into the embryo. And they are seen in one side, lower side of the blastocyst. The below diagram is showing the implantation process, whereby you can see the wall of the uterus, then the endometrium, then the trophoblast, which is getting nearer to the endometrium so that it can be implanted. The blastocyst implants into the uterine endometrium, embedding itself for further development. Implantation involves interaction between the placenta and the uterine wall. This process establishes the connection between the developing embryo and maternal blood supply. Still further below, you can see a detailed representation of the implantation process. Let's look at germ layer formation. After implantation has taken place, the embryonic disc forms, which consists of three germ layers, that is the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. The ectoderm gives rise to nervous system, skin, and sensory organs. The mesoderm develops into the musculoskeletal, circulatory, and reproductive organs. The endoderm forms the digestive, respiratory, and certain glands. Let's look at organogenesis. Organogenesis is the process by which the germ layers will differentiate and form specific organs and tissues. During the stage of organogenesis, the cells undergo complex movements, interactions, and organoids to establish the structural foundation of the developing organism. Major organ systems are formed, and these include the cardiovascular system, the nervous, digestive, and respiratory systems begin to develop. Let's look at neural tube formation. Neural tube formation is a critical event in the embryonic development. The neural tube gives rise to the central nervous system, which includes the brain and the spinal cord. Failure of the neural tube to close, this can lead to defects like spinal bifida. Let's look at fetal development. After organogenesis, the embryo is now referred to as a fetus. During the fetal stage, growth and refinement of organs and tissues continues. The fetus undergoes significant growth and its features become more distinct. In summary, we have looked at fertilization and we have defined what fertilization is. We looked at cleavage, blastomere formation, implantation, formation of germ cells, and organogenesis, and the defect that can result as a result of failure of formation of the spinal cord properly. Thank you for listening and have a blessed evening.